Welcome back. You've just completed your company onboarding. Let's log in. Now you're in your Flaree dashboard. As you can see, it's empty. This is where you'll build your recognition program from the ground up. You'll see a prominent placeholder card with a plus icon. This is your starting point. Click on this placeholder to begin building your company's recognition system. Now you'll see the card creation form with 3 essential fields. First, enter a compelling title. This should capture the recognition category or personality trait you want to celebrate. Next, write a meaningful description that explains what this card represents and when to use it. Finally, set the quantity. This determines how many of these specific cards are available for your team to share. The title helps employees understand the recognition category, the description provides context for when to use it, and the quantity creates scarcity that motivates thoughtful recognition sharing. With your content ready, it's time to add visual appeal. You can upload your own image from your computer by clicking the upload area. Flaree accepts standard image formats and provides size recommendations to ensure your image fits perfectly in the card's image place. Following these recommendations will give you the best visual results for your recognition cards. If you don't have any graphics and you don't have time to prepare it, we got you. Feel free to use our predefined professional graphics. Click on Use Design Wizard to access our library of predefined graphics. We offer a variety of designs representing different values like communication, honesty, and teamwork. Once you select a graphic, you can customize it with your brand color palette. Simply click on any element in the preview to change its color, or add your company colors to create a cohesive brand experience. For an even more engaging experience, switch to the GIFs tab. We've integrated with Tenor, giving you access to thousands of animated GIFs. Search for keywords related to your card's theme, whether it's celebration, achievement, or teamwork. Select a GIF that perfectly captures the emotion and energy you want to convey with your recognition card. Perfect! You've just manually created your first Flaree card with a limited quantity, creating scarcity that will motivate your team to share recognition thoughtfully. This card will be the first of many that you'll create to build a comprehensive employee recognition system. The limited availability ensures each recognition moment feels special and meaningful.